Hello there, today I show you my realistic paint pro effect, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied result and original photo and the direction. This is the marks direction photo, marks direction. Then play the script and this is the looking and we have set up it the default color. Default color is multicolored. Looking, you can convert it on color or realistic photo realistic color. See, the looking is great and fully professional and realistic art. Another, also you can out of paper and make it PNG very easily, very fast, and the on color convert very easily. This is blue color convert, you can use any other color convert. Another photo looking and another color combination. See the wedding photo and portrait, another, and animal, wedding, and fashionable photo. Okay, now I try. Go my download file, there is show brush file, hell file, pattern file, and our action, and this is cover, and this is our supporting information preview. You can join our support, any of them, the mention. If you need to live support, join any Rex, but fix the time. Chat with first WhatsApp or email or Facebook, then call the NDX. And there is the written format, how to use and some information, size and video link, and our supporting information, written format, and how to use. Okay, now we need to first load brush, then pattern. So select and double click the brush, then it's loaded your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Go your Photoshop and go window and brush option, click and brush plate show, click more option, input brush, and find out my download file, realistic paint pro main file, and go there, and there is show brushes, load me first. Select and load button, click, now it's loaded. Go window and pattern option, click, now pattern option show, more option, click input pattern, find out the download file and select, go the folder, and there is only show pattern. Select and load button, click, now is loaded, pattern is loaded now. So go window and action option, click, now we want to load action. Maybe action option show the right side, I have settled it left side for my video perfectly showing purpose. So more option, click, and load option, click, now find out download main file, and there is show realistic paint pro effect by MRI Coupon. Select and load button, click, now is loaded. Up and down option, this is the folder and this is the script. Now open a photo, you can open any type of photo, and this time I have used this photography, and my photography is not enough space like the left side or right side. This is the there is the one thing tricks, if you make the space, just make sure your photography is enough space, and if not, then make space and make sure you fill up this color, not the size like slicing or border. See, so we need to banish this border, so I have a select the brush. If your photography already enough space, so do not do this type of option, so otherwise you need to do this. Or you can use the change the background color, okay, I show you two steps. First I show this one. So you can pick this color, just pick a tool, pick, and brush tool, select and brush it. Just banish the border line, sorry, brush it and banish. okay, and select pick control and color picker like this picker, and the brush, and I have brushing, see, okay. Now it's a brush, okay, and go image and size. Now I want to change size, because if I use the extra large size option that I no need, then action make extra time. So I have used the standard size, my 300 pixel, any of site area, and make sure there is the link up, okay, link up option, okay button, sorry, it's not changed because I link up click 300 pixel, and I have click ok button, click. Now is convert my 300 pixel, okay, quick selection tool, and I have click select subject button. If you think you can do this, or you can work it just normal way, you brush and brush the focus point, create a new layer, and there is a new layer create, and double click new layer text option and type there brush brush, say my spelling all are small letter, do not include any other character, and click other space, other area, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, or uppercase lowercase mix up character, only lowercase brush. This spelling include our help file, and I have select any red color, and sub brush tool, the default brush, general brush section, see the general brush, soft brush, and I select the brush layer and I brush the position. So there is no need any experience, you just brush your focus point like this focus point, and I enlarge now, okay, and I small by shortcut using, you can use a small and large, this tool that is not necessary my action, but anyway just fill up your focus point, anyway you can use any of other tool, so that is totally depend of you. I think is perfect. Okay, it's perfect now, and fill up perfectly, and select all in on play action, play me, hit the play button, select this one, and brush tool select and hit the play, hit the, our script is working. Deepen your PC configuration and image resolution size. All layers are separate, you can custom manually, and we have set up a default effect setting, but you can combine or combination. Hello there, action is done working. Now you can custom, there is more layer, unviewed, okay. So this is our default setting result, and see the looking and quality, all are HD quality, see, fully professional and better quality, okay. So this is our main photography looking, and if I off this one, then back support is on, that purpose is show, so this is the back support option show now, but I view this one, this is the top support, and you can use our extra photography option without poster style, see, there is a poster style, and this that is not poster style include, and this one is our white shading. If you do not need the white shading, you can out of this. This is the top part, see, and select this marks, and select the brush tool and brush some of area if you do not like to show this, and I have off some of brush, see, brush, and it's remove, okay, and if you back it again, so just rotate the color black and white, and top color is white. Now brush, see, and its view, see, okay, and this is the paper option. So if you do not need the paper, you can just uncheck the paper option. So now paper is unchecked, and if you paper uncheck, then you can make it transparent PNG and uncheck the background color. Make sure the all background color is unchecked, and now uncheck the background. And if you use the paper option, then paper option fill up the outside, and out paper option. So now it's make PNG and export file, export quick export as a PNG. You can save this button. Now it's save the PNG format. But if you want to include this paper option, so you have view this one and the right button click and duplicate this is the tricks, not needed my action. So I have the basement already my default setting, and duplicate setting, and right button click this marks white point marks option, and delete this. And now you can back the select stock look on this one, and select this black marks and control and click this. Now selection mode, and back you can back my paper option, that is I have copy now, and select the marks. Now is paper is only marks in my photography, only photography or art position, and other area is blank. Okay, I have view now the background. Now background is show, and this time I have no need to this only marks, I have full area needed. This is the adjustment, and double click this adjustment. You can control sometime the overall adjust overall effect looking. So up and down, and check it, see the brightness, you can control the brightness there. Okay, and you can this is the black and white format. See, uncheck this one, there is the color format on show, and our default color is that we have include the dual color version, dual color looking, and I have unchecked. This is our main basement in black and white photography painting. You can you want to change it, and go the top position, and the real color is replaced. So real color is replaced. Or if you want to color every area, so pick this one, and face area only real color, then go again our top position real photo look. So there is more option, you just pick and combine it, show up a new look. So there is now face area real color. So this time I have unchecked because of my dual color is the new style is color. This is the another color combine, you can view and another color combine. See the color, another one, another, maybe this one, and this one, and use this one, and use this one, another combination, and use this one, and a single combine. Okay, and this is color changer. Double click this option and change the color very easily. See, any of color you can make it, or you can fill up it. See, just background color change. See, another looking, another different looking, another one, another one. This is dark looking, darkest style, and on color. Double click this option and click this one, select this color grade, and you can change any color very easily, and OK button click, and OK. Now color is replaced, so you can use your own color. This is color changer in on color. Double click and change the color. Okay, now I show you another photography like this one. And if I do not need the sometimes so I make the large top bottom and others area. So there is on tricks like the not brushing, if you're not interesting to brushing. So quick selection tool and select subject button click. Now if you select the quick selection tool, then select subject button, and there is show, and create a marks, and you can check out the color, any of color you can set up your photography, or You can use the pen tool and change background, but make sure your background is fit in and lock icon and lock background layer. Like I have set up this one this time, and I have a color is back, or I have a choose one color, like any one color, or pick the image color or any other color. Okay, then I have a right button click, make sure I have a right button click, and fit an image. Now is set a lock background layer. Okay, so and that is very easy. Or now we can any a quick selection tool and select subject button click again, and create a new layer. Double click new layer, text option, type there brush, and brush the area. Just main point is face point and the leaves point, and others point is auto picket. Others area auto picket. See, I do not fill up any other area perfectly. Just I want to face area perfectly. Okay, and it's okay. It's perfect, and the selection mode. So I need to deselect first. If you selection mode need deselect, if you use pen tool and there is path show path option, you need to select the path and delete path, then apply script. So now is selection mode use, so selection and deselect now, and move tool select, and I have all in on, and brush layer already selected, and check the image size. I have okay, size is okay, size no problem, but I have typed there 300 pixel for my first working purpose, and select and hit the play button. Start working. This is another trick, so you can work fastly and nicely. Wait and see, it's working. Okay, and this time I show you. You can download this product, our creative market shop MRI Studio. Visit our shop MRI Studio, and there is our all product available: pin template, graphics, and Photoshop plugin, Illustrator plugin, and add-on, and everything is available there, and personal license, commercial license, extended license available. So go our shop and visit our shop MRI Studio, and also you can download our product, our on-site photoshopaction.net, and there is the free file section. Check out the free file section, and Photoshop everything, Photoshop action or everything. Check out our bundle offer, 99% discount going on. Our bundle is 99% discount. This option, check out the bundle offer available there. Okay, and also you can download MRI Cocoon profile in the Invato marketplace, like graphics tuber. So our product is available there. Now at this time is to show, okay, perfectly work this, finish, and finishing result show. This is the result. See, the quality is perfect and nice. And if I want the regular version, so I can use the regular version. And color option, okay, and I have select this one. Okay, so this is the looking now. And this product download link include my video description. Check out the video description and subscribe the channel for upcoming product video. We have a free product distribute video upcoming. Wait and see.